Did you know what RBC, one of Canada's big banks, is forecasting a massive surge in home prices over the next 5 years? This is a game changer for anyone looking to invest in Canadian real estate. Picture this. In just 5 short years, the average Canadian home could be worth about $894,000, which is 25% higher than the current prices. How do we know this? RBC, the only big bank with such a confident outlook, has crunched the numbers and their predictions are turning heads. RBC is forecasting home prices rising by 2.6% by next year, followed by another 5% annual growth for the next 4 years. This growth is driven by strong demand and lack of a housing supply. And the trend is already starting, with national average home prices rising $50,000 in February alone, marking the first monthly rise in 6 months. But what does this mean for you as a potential home buyer or investor? Simply put, the time to act is now. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Seize the moment and invest in your dream home now. If you are ready to take advantage of RBC's bold predictions and secure your financial future, hit that subscribe button and contact me, your trusted mortgage professional, to get started on your journey to home ownership.